Okay guys, today we are buying nice little furniture to put on our kitchen island. We bargained for it. It's worth it. Handmade. And this is the shop behind. These people that make the things on the side of the road, and then you just come and buy it, but it's good quality. Yeah. So they're gonna put it up on our bajaji, and then we're gonna take it home. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I get home. So they are loading it up, tying it down really good. My hubby's there. It up, making sure it stays well. Hello guys, I'm chilling in this tuk-tuk that I'm in here right now. We stopped at this furniture place and we bought a bed. I didn't film that one. Oh my gosh, my back was hurting me so much. I had to take a chair and sit outside. I don't know, all of a sudden my back started hurting me terribly. And right now I'm in like pain. I don't usually have back pain. I don't know what happened. I've been sleeping on like a low mattress. I've been sleeping on the mattress without the bed. And it could be one of the reasons. Like the mattress is kind of soft. So I need a firmer mattress, but my back, oh my gosh, today it just said I had enough. So we're at the hardware store right now. So this store here is the hardware store. My husband and the driver went in and I just sat in the vehicle. But I want to show you guys, in that place where I was, I bought myself a stool. So this is the stool. And you know me guys, I was bargaining in for that stool. They said it was 15,000. I said, I give you 10,000. I said, okay, 10,000. He was a small boy who was making this furniture. He's so good. I'll show you guys when I get at home what it looks like. And then on top, I bought like a shoe rack and other things at the top. But I'll show you guys when I get home. But I'm just sitting inside him, guys. I'm telling you. We also went to the market and we bought some things at the market. Today when I was at the market, I was careful not to film because yesterday I had an episode at the market with this man who got me so upset, you know. Anyways, but my driver was telling me like just ignore him because you know, people are just like ridiculous sometimes, acting silly. Yeah, so today I didn't film much at the market either. I just basically just shop, but I'll show you my purchases when I get home. Also, the market, like the market is so lovely, so it's a good place to film though. Yeah, you got a hammer too.
Yeah.
hammer and screwdriver. Wow. So my husband bought hammer and screwdriver. Wow. Very nice. So we're gonna head home.
I took some.
Hey guys, we are at home and I just want to show you what we got. We were busy bringing the furniture inside the house. Guys, we bought all this furniture on a tiny little bajaji, three-wheeler thingy, okay? I couldn't film because the guy was in a hurry. He had to go pick up kids, so we had to pay him fast and move the things in there. But anyways, so let me show you what we got, okay? I'll show you what the furniture we bought. All right, guys, so we got this stand. First is this stand. Then we got two very large mosquito nets because the ones that we have is very, very small. So we got these larger size ones and they're supposed to be like this size, very big, okay? So we got this and we got that, okay? Let me show you something else that we got. These mats. These mats are so pretty. Let me step on it and show you. Woo, so soft, so nice. These mats are beautiful. All right, so let me go into the bedroom now and let me show you guys our bed. So we got this bed. Look at the bed. These things at the top, I'm not a fan of it, but you have to put this so that the mosquito net can't stay. We're gonna get two more beds and hopefully they will be different because I don't like this style. But anyways, tonight when my husband get back, he should put that on. Yeah, so that's what the bed look like. Okay, let me give you a better view. So this is what the bed looks like. I'm giving you a better view. This is not the mattress for the bed. These are some mattresses that we bought before we got the bed. So we're supposed to go pick up the right size mattress for the bed. So we're gonna go pick it up tomorrow for the bed. But the bed is really nice. I like it. It's handmade. You know, it's really, really nice. Just ignore that. We're gonna pick up our mattress. And this mattress is gonna go into storage. We have two of them. It's gonna go into storage for like when people come over to sleep, but I really like the bed. So now you saw that. Let me show you some other things that I got. Look guys, my little stool. See that? Look at this little stool. It's so cute. I can sit on this and cook. I can sit on this and wash laundry. It's so cute. Sit on it, Adar. Sit on it. I let my daughter sit on it. Look at it. It's so cute.
Put it up like this thingy.
Yeah. There, she's sitting on it. So this tool is so cute. I like it. And voila, guys. This is what I got. I got a nice island for the middle. So beautiful. I just have some citronella oil because there's mosquitoes. I'm making citronella oil thingy to spray. In the evening I do that. But guys, I'm so happy with my little island that I got. It's just beautiful. Let me give you guys a good view of my island. I'm so excited because I was looking for something to put my plates and everything on, because as you can see, look at the cabinet. This is all the cabinet space I have. And look, I could only hold like a few plates up there. Where is the space? When I put my seasoning and stuff, there is no space to put anything. So right here, I'm going to put in all my plates. And for dust, I think I'm going to put like a little, I'm going to put a little curtain, maybe across here. We will see how it looks, but I think I'm going to do that. That's going to be that. And I'll put all my stuff at the bottom there, my pots and my pans, just to so the content can be clear, because soon we're going to get the microwave and I need some space in the corner there for the microwave. So let me show you my table, what it looks like. Anyways guys, here is my island in the middle. It's so nice. So nice. I'm going to give it a good clean. And I'm going to be putting all my things on it. Okay guys, so we went, after we bought all this furniture, we went shopping at this place called Shoppers. This is like a very expensive store, like shopping store in Tanzania. And trust me, if you're making a certain amount of money, you cannot shop there because the prices are hot. When I tell you hot, 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 hot. Some of the things that are in there are more expensive than what's in Canada. For example, olive oil. Olive oil is 54,000 plus. So it's like $25.50 for one bottle of olive oil right here. It's just crazy expensive. Ketchup, all kind of little condiments that we buy for $2 and cents here. It's like 20,000, 25,000, 18,000. I'm like shocked. It's like, so that works out to be like 10 Canadian dollars, 15 Canadian dollars for one tiny little condiment. Like ridiculous. Ridiculous. I would never buy it. Cereal is like 20,000, so it's like $10 for cornflakes. Some of them is like $12 or $13 for one cornflakes. When you do the conversion, I'll be buying any. Today I went into the island. I was like, okay, let me see, some of the prices have gone down. Some of the prices are just the same. It's just really expensive. Cheese is like 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. So expensive. I don't know why, but I won't be paying those kind of prices. But anyways, I'm happy with my island. I paid $110 for the island, which works out to be 55 Canadian dollars for this table. The stool was, the guy said it was like 15,000. I bargained with him. I got it for 10,000, so it was like $5 Canadian dollars. The rack that I show you guys, he told me 35,000, and I said nope. I want it for 25, and I got it for 25. So it will go to be like 12.50 Canadian. And then the bed, I paid $370, which works out to be like 180 Canadian dollars. So it's amazing. I didn't bargain on the bed. I could have bargained on the bed and get it for like 300 or 290, but the people who are making the bed, he's like a family, and I didn't want to bargain because I know that's their livelihood, and he's there working all day long, and I didn't want to just like bargain with him. He's such a nice man, and I know that's his livelihood. That's what he's doing. Not every day he sells a bed, so I just really wanted to buy the bed for him at full price. And when I didn't bargain with him, he was super happy. Like he was when we told him we were buying the bed, we didn't bargain. He was like kind of doing his little tiny bow. He was like happy, jumping up and down. He was like so very happy. He said his wife is gonna be happy, his kids are gonna be happy because he made a big sale today. And like we did, like I didn't bargain with him. I didn't. Yeah, he does good. He does amazing work. Like guys, I showed the bed. The bed is real amazing. Like you can't buy a bed like that in Canada. It's gonna be super expensive. Good craftsmanship. He's there using. They're not even using electricity. They're just using their hand to make these beds. It's just great. Good craftsmanship. So I'm not going to bargain with him for the bed. But the little stools and stuff, his kids are the one who makes them. So I bargain with the kids for them because yeah, I'm not gonna pay the amount of money for those. These are just tiny items. I don't think it's worth that amount of money. It's worth less than that, so that's why. But the bed, I would never bargain for the bed because the bed is a craftsman art and it takes a while to they're chiseling that stuff, making a design on it. And my uncles, they do that kind of stuff, so I know how long it takes to make something, so I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, it was great, and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought at the market because I went to the market also. So let me show you my market haul. Okay guys, so let me show you what I bought for, first let's talk about what I bought at the Shoppers store. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I bought at the Shoppers. So I got tea. This was like almost 3,000. This was like 6,000 for ketchup. I can't believe it. Okay, this is baking powder, 850,000. These are hand soap. I got two lavender. I got two because I need the bottles. You know I make my own soap, so I need the bottles. So I'm gonna be needing the bottles so that I can put my own soap. But you cannot buy like these bottles separate somewhere. You can't find them. So anyways, I got them. Once I finish with the soap, I'm gonna put my own handmade soap inside of it. I bought this. Pancake syrup was like for 3,000, which is very expensive. I got this dishwashing liquid, which was like 4,000 and a half. Again, expensive. This was like 5,000, like mustard, guys. Mustard, this tiny thing of mustard was like 5,000. So it is like almost $3 Canadian. Wow, it's expensive. Anyways, then I bought this ghee, which was like 30,000, which is like 15 Canadian dollars. But I mean, they have butter, but the butter is like overpriced, ridiculous. Then I got this yogurt. The yogurt was 10,000. So this container yogurt, let me move that out of the way. This container yogurt, 2 kg of yogurt for 10,000 Canadian, 10,000 shillings, which is $5 Canadian. And the reason why I buy this ghee and it's so expensive, you know, ghee is clarified butter, and the butter, just like 200 grams of butter here is almost the same price as this ghee. And the ghee is 1 kg. So this is 1 kg a ghee for 28,000. I said, yeah, 28,000 for that. So it works out to be like $12. So that's 12 Canadian dollars. And the butter was 15,000 or 20,000 for the butter, and it was like the butter was like 200 grams, and it was like 200 grams is like nothing. It's like a small tiny butter like this, so it's cheaper to buy this one. So anyways, so I bought that. So that was at the store. So I just bought a very few items. I have the bill here, and this was like 64,000. 64,150 shillings. This is like 35 Canadian dollars, but like this $64, this is like somebody's monthly salary in certain places. So there's no way somebody's gonna go to that store and shop and buy that stuff, because like in some places that's their monthly salary. Some places they get 70,000 a month, some places they get 110,000 a month, so definitely they can never buy this kind of stuff because it's just too expensive. But you know us, we're not used to certain things, so we have to search it out and find it. So this pancake syrup, I'll be making my own. This yogurt, once this one is finished, I will buy a plain one. The plain one also is 10,000, and I'm gonna buy a plain one and start making my own yogurt, because my friend, I buy like 3 gallons of milk from her, so I can make my own yogurt, so I won't have to buy that. As soon as this soap is finished, I'll be making my own soap. I'll just be using the bottle, so I'm not really worried about that. The ghee, I'll start to make my own ghee using the milk that I get from my friend, because I've been skimming out the cream. I'm gonna start to make cream I'm gonna start to make ghee using the cream that I skim off from the top of the milk, because it's raw milk. And the ketchup, I'm gonna buy tomatoes and make my own tomato ketchup next week. And this, I have to find a place where I can get a big container of baking powder, because I only use baking powder once a week to make cake. So I'll be needing that. The tea, I don't mind. I will buy the tea again, because it's just like, the tea is not that expensive until I start to grow my herbs. And the dishwashing liquid, I have to make my own. Yeah. This I may buy again. This I may buy again, because it's not bad and we don't use a lot. That's gonna last us for a while. All right. So that was the haul from the supermarket. All right, guys. So, anyways, I'm gonna close this video off here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.